Hi everybody and welcome back to the Hard Disk Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily find the user manual for your Creative Pebble Nova 2.0 speakers. So at first we need to tap this gear icon in the top right corner in the application, which is called the Creative application, and here we have to tap Product Help. Here we have the Product Support. And now we will be redirected to the website for where we do have the user manual. Here we have Creative Pebble Nova, and here we have the frequently asked questions. Here we can scroll down further, for example here, to the to the all files to download, and here we can scroll down till we see here safety leaflet, additional safety information, quick start guide. We have to tap download. I don't know why is this in Polish, but I don't really think that it's important, because every other thing is in English. Here we have to tap I'm not a robot, select motorcycles, verify motorcycles, and accept and download. Here we, as you can see, do have the user guide. That's it, hope it helps and have a nice day. Goodbye!